Let me welcome you guys to class today. You are welcome and God bless you. We'll be looking into resources from living organisms in our last class. And I spoke to you that living things are called biotic organisms, okay? Biotic means living organisms. But this week, we shall be looking into the resources from non-living things, okay? When you say living organisms are biotic, that means that non-living organisms are also called abiotic. They are called abiotic. So we want to look at the resources we obtain from abiotic resources or abiotic materials. Okay. As we go in this class, we want to give the major sources of these resources. Okay. There are two major, like we said. One, we can have from living resources. We can have from non-living resources. Okay. And these living resources are called biotic resources. Okay. And from non-living resources are called abiotic resources. But then we want to define the soil and give the types of soil. Okay, unlike, I don't know how much you have learned in agriculture, but we will be talking about like 5 major types of soil. Okay, but before let me try and define what a soil is. Okay, let me define what a soil is. A soil is the uppermost layer of the earth on which plants grow, and animals find home for themselves. Let me repeat myself. A soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow. Okay? If you say any plants grow on the surface of our roof, there must be soil there that will support the growth. Okay? Yeah? And on which animals, even you as human being, where do you find yourself? If you're living inside the water, what is carrying the water is soil. Okay? On which animals found home for themselves. Okay? Thank you very much. This is a type of soil. We have clay soil. Clay soil, as it were, is containing a compact particles. The particles of clay soil are compact. That is, they are close. Okay? They are very, very fine. They have fine particles. They have closely compact particles. Alright? So clay soil, as it were, you see, is not very good for farming. But yet we use it in modeling. You know that now. We can use it in modeling of different materials in our homes that we are using. We can use it in building houses. Use it to make block and use to build our respective houses. Some group of type of clay soil are used in ceramic. I guess you are aware of that. Yes, thank you. Then another one we can have your loamy soil. This is a friend of our farmer. Okay? Loamy soil is a friend of farmer because it's containing moderate amount of humus, balanced organic material. Okay, it's containing sufficient amount of nutrients that will support our agricultural materials. Then we have seed soil. Seed soil is better. We use this in garden material. Okay, it's also better for farming, but yet it's very necessary that we have it as part of our soil. Seed soil is very good for farming as well. Then we have component of soil. Okay, we have to describe the components of the soil. I have it in this chart, in this brief form. We can have 4 major components or key to know that what our soil are made of. Number 1, we have the organic matter. We have organic matter in the soil. Those are the decaying, like a leaf, animal dead and decaying plants and animal on the top of the soil. We call them organic matter. They are dying out, so they are components. Then we have water. You know, as part of our soil, we have water. Then we have mineral salts. Those are the nutrients that are used by plants for their own life activity. Then lastly, we have air. The air is a major component, okay? If a soil is well aerated, we call such a soil that is well porous. The porosity of the soil is high. But some soil like clay, the porosity of a clay is very poor because the particles are closely packed. So from there we talk about distinguish between soil types based on its composition. Then we have to highlight the uses and importance of soil. Okay, maybe I should just mention 2 or 3 importance of soil to you before I go. Number 1, where will you have your building, your residential building, your industrial building? There's no soil. Where we're going to construct our roads if there's no soil. Okay, and many other things that we're using soil for. So as we go on in our Google class today, I want to be sure that you are going to learn more, understand more as we do that, and you're going to throw any question you have to me, and we'll discuss it together. Thank you very much for coming, and God bless you.